Hey guys, Tony here. So I wanted to make this announcement because the developers actually lied about the circulating supply. It actually used to be 349. They upped it to 594. I sold everything. I sold all of my holdings in Coinbase. I sold all of my holdings in Coinbase Pro. I came out with somewhere, I think, so 14K profit, and then also right here on, I sold, there we go, 12. So 14 and 12, I made out with like 20, 14, 12, $26,000. I mean, it kind of sucks because I was waiting for a rally up, but I don't care. I will not support a project that has lied about circulating supply, especially when CoinMarketCap and Coinbase has officially, they have officially updated, their circulating supply. Coinbase has updated it to 549. It used to be 340, 394. And CoinMarketCap has also updated it to 549. And again, this is all, you can even go on their website to double check everything. I don't have their Shiba Inu calculator up, but once you go on their website and you look for the total supply in circulation, it's actually up to 549 on Shiba Inu's actual website. I will not support a project that is that the developers and the team as a whole lies to their people, letting them know that it's actually, that the circulating supply wasn't raised. And also, they start fighting with CoinMarketCap and telling, hey, like we didn't raise anything. And then they sneakily announce it in their own website. And then now CoinMarketCap and Coinbase now, officially puts it on, updates the new circulating supply. Whether this hurts the price of Shiba Inu long-term, short-term, I don't care. I will not support a project that blatantly lies to their coin holders. I thought Shiba Inu was great. I thought their team and their developers were great. I'm not going to support a project that just lies to you and pretends like they're not actually doing what they're doing, right? So this is all kind of like a sneaky play on their part, where circulating supply was actually raised when it used to be 394. Now it's 549. It was essentially raised almost 50%. And again, maybe we got to this. Maybe that's why this, we see this huge price drop here, is because everybody was starting to catch on. If I knew this, right? If I knew this, I would have actually sold up here at like 70 cents, right? I had no idea that the circulating supply was actually gonna come back real. I didn't care about it, right? I didn't care about the circulating supply. I'm like, oh, you know what? It's a glitch on market cap's part, whatever. No, it actually came out. It's official. Like the circulating supply is now 549 as opposed to 394. So you got diluted about 60 trillion coins, which is, roughly close to what? I don't know, 20% more. So, I'm not, it's more of just, I'm not going to support a team that lies to you. Because if they lie to you about this, they can also lie to you about something else in the future. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.